Hello everyone, this is your friend SG, and in today's video we are going to see some of the very useful Chrome extensions that as a software developer you should have. These extensions will increase your productivity as well. So So the very first extension that we are going to see is Clear Cache. So clear your cache and browsing data with a single click of a button. So this extension easily clears all our cache and cookies, local storage, IndexedDB, any stuff that the browser stores on itself. This extension will easily clear that. So it is very useful for the front end and the back end web developers. Because they mostly rely on some of the cookies or session IDs as well, and they sometimes need to clear that. So I have already installed that. That's why I'm getting the remove from Chrome button. But you will get a button to add to Chrome. So this is the extension, and also we can go to the options and customize it as well. So here we have an option to automatically reload the tabs, and this is the data that we can remove: app cache, cookies, cache storage, downloads, form data, history, IndexedDB. Any data that you want to clear, you can simply select it. Okay, so let's close it here. And once I click on this extension, it will clear all the data and reload the page automatically. So see, the page is on reload, and yeah, all the data is cleared now. Okay, so moving on to another extension. Next extension we have Octotree. So as the name suggests, Octotree GitHub code tree. So this extension is very useful for GitHub. Okay, so let's see. So this is our movie app repository on GitHub. So like as we can see, there are multiple directories, we have multiple files, and sometimes it becomes very much difficult for us to completely view the folder structure of our application on GitHub itself. So this is the case when Octotree extension comes into use. So here I can see it views me the entire directory, entire project structure of my this GitHub repository. Okay, so here we can see like all the folders with their files and other stuff. So it makes it very easy for us to view the entire project structure. We can easily work on it, and we can continue our application building process. Okay, so this extension makes it very easy for us to view the entire project structure. So next extension is CSS Viewer. So CSS Viewer is an extension, as the name suggests, CSS Viewer. It will help us to view the CSS of any element on the website. So any third-party website, you can go over that and use this extension. So let's move it here only, use it here only. So like this is a project GitHub page. So this is the CSS Viewer extension. I'll just click over it, and now CSS Viewer loaded. Okay, so hover over any element you want to inspect in the page. So let's see. So okay, I'm hovering over it and I can see the CSS used in it. I can hover over any element and I will get to see the CSS for that particular element. So this is a green button, so we can see the color and background, box, positioning, and font and text as well. So entire CSS we can easily view using this, and it makes it very easy for us to view the CSS of this button, and we can easily replicate it now. Okay, so this is very useful for the front-end web developers who want to replicate a particular website or get some design help from a particular website. Now further moving on to our next extension. So next extension is Wapilizer. So Wapilizer Technology Profiler. So this extension helps us to get to know the technologies that are used to build any website. So we can go over any website and easily get the technologies used in that. So this is our GitHub page only. Here is the Wapilizer extension. We'll just click over it and get to see the technology used. So here we can see, like for analytics, they're using Google Analytics, JavaScript framework, React is used, Ruby on Rails. For miscellaneous works, they are using WebSockets, because like GitHub provides us the functionality like 10, 20 or multiple people can collaborate on a single project. So they need to provide us the live data, live shared data. So for that they are using WebSockets, they are using GitHub Pages, jQuery, Ruby, and this is the entire detail of the technology used. Okay, so let me know in the comments which extension do you love the most. So now if you are watching the video till here, now comes the bonus part for you. So we have a bonus extension now. This is a daily.dev Chrome extension. So what it basically does is it provides you an entire news feed of the technological stuff that is going around in the world. So get a feed of hottest developer news personalized to you. So you don't have to do anything complicated. Just install this extension and open a new tab. So whenever you open a new tab in your Chrome browser, you will get your entire feed. So like you have most upvoted, best discussions. Look, this is the feed. These might be news articles, some code snippets, or some news, some articles, anything this could be. So you get popular. You can also search for a particular topic as well. So like I'm getting 60 hottest front end tools. We want your feedback. So this is the feedback form, 35 website cheat sheets. Okay. So you can also personalize your feed. So this is like create my feed option. You can create your feed entirely, and all the stuff that you love you can add that here. Okay, so you will get the entire news and stuff for that. So let me know in the comments which extension you love the most. And yep, this is it for this video. Thank you. Tata. Bye bye.